Today, more than 60% of the world's production comes from mature fields, and this is expected to grow to nearly 80% by 2030. As this need to produce more from existing assets is more important than ever, well intervention is key to keep your field at peak performance.
Most interventions focus on restoring lost production rather than enhancing what is already there. To improve production, it's time to focus on proactive intervention.
Just as we routinely service and maintain our cars to keep them reliable, by regularly checking the fluid levels and tire pressures, we should be doing the same by monitoring well fluid contacts and pressures, and indeed more. This proactive approach enables timely intervention or necessary maintenance, reducing the cost with a 30% lower cost per barrel and a 33% lower carbon footprint per barrel, as opposed to infill drilling to increase production. At SLB, we've reinvented our intervention portfolio to address the wide array of complex production challenges that you might face.
With our global domain, local footprint, and the most comprehensive intervention family in the industry, we deliver holistic solutions to maximize your intervention performance with reduced risk. From reservoir monitoring, flowback and solids handling, well diagnostics, mechanical intervention, powered intervention, perforating, and much more. And we are not stopping here.
For over a decade, we have continuously innovated our solutions with digital and automation capabilities to take interventions to the next level.
This enables better efficiency, accuracy, insights, and results. And all our intervention solutions are deployed by our smart conveyances, including slickline, digital slickline, wireline, coiled tubing, and fiber optics.
By reinventing the intervention space, SLB is ready to help you to deliver your production and recovery targets in the most predictable, cost-effective, and sustainable way to ensure that every well counts. Intervention reinvented.
Intervention reinvented.
Intervention reinvented.
Intervention reinvented.
Intervention reinvented.